Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. Today I thought I would bring you guys along because my husband and I are about to make over the closet in our baby girl's nursery. So if you guys don't know, I am pregnant right now. I'm actually in my last trimester. I'm 35 weeks pregnant and we wanted to kind of transform the closet. I will show you guys what it looks like before, but it is a smaller closet, so we really wanted to do something so we can kind of make use of the space as best as possible. And of course you can do this not necessarily in a nursery like we are. You can do this in any sort of room where you have a small closet. I'm so out of breath when I talk now. Anyway, so my husband is back there and he is going to be the handyman for today. We did pick up something from IKEA that will be going into the closet, but I'm gonna go ahead and just share with you guys what it is looking like before. I just feel like we could use better use of this closet and be able to store more things, maybe have some drawers instead of just having a hanger, especially with a nursery. The clothes are just so small. We're gonna start now by just moving everything. We went ahead and just emptied everything so we can go ahead and start building the stuff. Are we removing the shelf first, mister?
Yeah, we have to.
So this guy over here, the handyman of the house, is gonna start by removing the shelf that came with the closet when we first moved in. So I'm gonna go ahead now and share with you guys what we will be putting inside of the closet, because we did go ahead and go with an IKEA closet system, but this one is just super affordable and I feel like
it's more organized.
Yeah, it's gonna be able to be more organized and then we can get more use out of this closet. It has been unpacked, all the boxes. It came, of course, with 20 packages that we had to pick up from IKEA. That is the one thing I have to say about IKEA, and the struggle is that you really have to build their pieces. Real. Yes, the struggle is real. It comes with like so many packages, and we swore after this dresser that we got from IKEA we were over it, but of course I found this closet system and I got sucked in. So here we are again with another IKEA package. This is the system we went with. So it's just called, I believe you pronounce this the Ordal. It has some shelves, a couple like clothing rods. So you guys will see it once my husband starts making it, but these are just all the pieces laid out.
Always use Milwaukee tool.
First off, we're not sponsored by Milwaukee.
Fan.
I know you want to be. That's like your dream in life.
Shout out Milwaukee tool.
A little quick update. The shelving part is gone. We just have to now remove these little pieces. Once we remove the pieces, we'll have a fresh start to the closet, but we have everything laid out over here in the meanwhile. We're gonna go ahead and organize this, of course, once we finish with the closet. Now we just are painting up the little patches that those, what were they, screws made?
Plugs.
Plugs. There's all these marks all over the wall. You get it, see? Work.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Is that Naxos? Oh. Is this Naxos can? Naxi, look. Look, look. Is that Naxos can? Oh. So cute.
currently the next day. It ended up getting a little bit too late, and honestly I was exhausted, but I did go ahead and wash pretty much the rest of baby girl's clothes and just like blankets and towels and all of that stuff. I want to go ahead now and actually start organizing the closet since it's all set up, and I'm sure it's going to change here and there, but for the most part, I feel like I have everything. I just got my Amazon package. I actually went ahead last night and ordered some more hangers for the closet. I don't know if these will match exactly in color as, ooh, me with scissors are dangerous. Anyways, like I was saying, I don't know if they'll exactly match, but it's okay. I found this set on Amazon. It comes with 30 baby-sized hangers. It also comes with 8 baby closet dividers, which I already have some dividers I prefer better, but it also comes with 10 baby hanger clips, which I really liked. So this is what the hangers look like. They actually, I think, match pretty well to the ones I already have, which is perfect. And then it comes with these clips, which are gonna be good for like little pants and stuff like that, which you attach it onto the hangers. And then they also did come with some more dividers, so I'm gonna keep these just in case, but I got these dividers from my mother-in-law and they're off of Amazon, and I just think they're really cute. And now with the new closet, it actually fit because these were not fitting with the old closet. It goes from newborn all the way to toddler 24 months. I'm gonna go ahead now and share with you guys what the closet is looking like, completely empty, and I'm just gonna start putting things away and just switching it up and getting everything organized. This is how everything is looking like and how the closet is all set up. So I'm just gonna start, I think, first by putting things onto the shelves, and then I'm going to start putting things in the drawers, and then last I'll probably organize the clothes. This is what I went with for now. I might switch it up and get a couple different like bins and stuff to organize, maybe some more neutral ones. But for now, this is how I organized it. So here I just have a bin of her toys and then a little toy laid out that kind of like stands up perfectly. And then on this section is her first little peeky bank, which is so cute. And then I just have a little bin with stuff, the guest book from the shower, and I got this little pin from a family from Greece. And then up here is just a bin with extra things for when she gets older, so 3 months and plus. So like kind of extra things that are still in the package. And then I put her first little pair of shoes right to that side for display. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting things into the drawers. I went ahead and laid everything out, and I put the little separators to tell me what age group it is. I also have some extra hangers. I definitely want to get more of those clips though, because they work really well and I didn't have enough, and a lot of these outfits come as like a little set, so I want to be able to do that. But for now I ended up just putting it in the hanger with the top. So I'm going to go ahead now and start organizing the closet and putting all of these things away. I went ahead and I put everything in the closet and it is looking so good. Everything is just so cute and I totally recommend those dividers. It makes things so much easier to know which size is which. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys how everything is looking like. And I'm pretty much done. I'm sure a few things will change here and there, but I will be doing a nursery tour. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys are subscribed. That will be coming shortly. We just have a couple more things to do and we will be done this room completely. It is finally starting to come together and I totally recommend DIYing your small closet. You just get so much more space. This was actually pretty affordable. The biggest thing, of course, was just buying the IKEA set, which with tax was about $4.80, and that is in Canadian prices. So if you are from the United States, it's gonna be less. The dividers are just super affordable on Amazon. They're really cheap. But let me just stop talking and share with you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what I really did. This right now is just miscellaneous things. I'm probably gonna change the drawers eventually and add different things. I didn't want to like jam pack all of them and then have no room, so I probably won't keep it like this. But for now I just put like extra hangers because there was quite a lot of extra hangers. I have some back there, but I didn't want to stack all of these there. This is actually our sign when baby girl is born, so I'm just keeping that there for now, as well as these little month counters. I just put that also here. This drawer for now just has like extra diapers because I know we're gonna go through these a lot, as well as some of our wipes we have, and as well as some bags for the diaper pail. And then down here I just have some swaddles. And then I also have a few different type of style swaddles here, but I mainly have like blankets and receiving blankets over here. But like I said, I probably will switch this up a little bit, as well as kind of like the decor, but this is what I ended up with. But my favorite part is the clothes now. I love how we can really make use of the closet and be able to hang a lot more clothes. So these dividers, like I said, really are helpful. So I just have newborn to 0 to 3 months all down here. Over on this side, I have 3 to 6, which we have a ton of 3 to 6 clothes, especially onesies that are in the dresser. And then over here, 6 to 9, as well as 9 to 12. Back here are the bigger clothes that we have. But everything is just so much more organized and it's easily to see what kind of outfits I have, so I can be able to dress her. But I love how it turned out. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun making this video and I'm so in love with how the closet looks that I want to do like every single closet in my house now. Just really get use out of the space as opposed to wasting so much space. But I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. I do post every single week. And like I said, stay tuned for that nursery tour. It will be coming super soon. I'm excited to finally be able to finish the nursery and share with you guys how everything turned out and where we got things and like that. I will try to link down below some things that I did mention in this video for you guys, so make sure you guys go check out the description box. But with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!